Hi guys, I'm here for a quick Dollar Tree Walmart stocking stuffer. I guess it's not all stocking stuffers, but it's small enough to do too. So we picked up these, me and my husband. I thought for like grocery hauls, this would be like really fun. The little pointers. Got two of those. Got these. I finally found them. These are the Brush Buddies flavored toothpaste for stockings. So there's cookies and cream, vanilla, and mint chocolate chip. So if you want to give your kids a fun time brushing, I would never ever use it because I have to have like mint. So maybe the mint chocolate chip. But they're super cool. Toothpaste. And then I got this. I'm going to try it out for my night guard, my bite guard thing. I think it's the same thing that I've been using that I got from Amazon, but it cleans your mouth guard, but it's actually a denture thing. So I'm going to try it. It's probably the same active ingredient. Oh, and here's the chocolate one. There's chocolate ice cream too. And then they had some new, I'm not a doctor, these are just for me. I got these Vitaglobe ashwagandha with acrola cherry extract. And then I got the zinc immune support, and you get 14 gummies. And I think it's usually 2 gummies a serving, so that's a week's worth. If you take vitamins, check these out. I got 2 of the zincs, I guess. And then I got the biotin strawberry ones. And then they had the children's melatonin. And they just get 1 gummy. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of new ones that I found. And I got another adult coloring book. It's Color America. So it's got, there's a farm, some hot air balloons. That looks like Colorado. They have that festival. That's Times Square for sure. Statue of Liberty, Hollywood, Mount Rushmore. So yeah, it's not as thick as the other one, but it's still nice. Still worth it. And then I got this for my youngest to try some Connect the Dots. Rubble on the double. And then I got this for Candace. She used to really like this show with the ladybug. Miraculous. Yeah, they had these are like the plastic ones. I thought she would like it. I don't know. Got another Ione nail glue. I haven't had any on in a while. I've gotten really lazy. Oh, and I found another one. So it's the Vanilla Dream. And these smell really good, guys. And yes, they're a dupe. It smells good. My sniffer's still not... My taste buds aren't back to normal. I wonder if I had COVID. I don't know. I can taste, but not very much. And then I got one of these collagen-infused facial masks. There's chocolate and strawberry. Beauty Intuition. And the strawberry is hyaluronic acid infused. It's a 2-pack. I'm thinking this is all Valentine's Day and they're putting it out early, just like the nail polish in the lip gloss, because it looks like it's all, Beauty Intuition does that every year. And then I got 2 of the cupcake ones of the ice cream lip glosses, one for you guys for the contest. And it has like little, see the little pearls in there. It's by Body Raves. So it's like a little ice cream cone cotton candy one. I'm excited about that. And then I got one of the strawberry ones. They're on the hook at checkout, so, because I have not been able to find the cotton candy and they only had 2 left. I'm like, I gotta get one for the contest. But my total was $26.60. So now for Walmart. And I got these, and actually it's made in Florida. Royal Palm Beach, Florida. Fun Sweets LLC. So there's, it's a 5-pack. I think it was like $5, $5.34. Hot chocolate, vanilla snow, cherry berry, sugar cookie, and candy cane. And I'm going to split them up. Each of my kids gets one. I need to send one of these for my son and his wife. And then I had to get this, GH Creators Cheese and Caramel. The big tins of popcorn, oh my god, every time I open one of those, it's stale. Every time. And then I got these, cheaper at Walmart, by the way. At Walmart, all their stuff is $1.24, a penny cheaper. But these were only $1. And they're the Minecraft Green Apple big candy canes. So yeah, I would suggest, well, if it's not convenient, it's not worth the penny difference savings, really. If you're already there, just grab it. I got the Sweet Tart Ropes. My kids love these. This is the Twisted Holiday Punch. So what is strawberry, cherry, orange, and apple, I guess. But I got 4 of those because I don't know if my youngest will eat them. And then I got the Sour Punch Arctic Straws. So you get, berry lemonade, lime cucumber, watermelon honeydew, and grape pineapple. And then they all love those shortbread cookies, you know. So I got like the little mini. These were $1.80 something. Yes, I know I can get the bigger tin at Dollar Tree for less, but actually it might not be bigger. But these have the Christmas, and you can definitely save these tins for things like money. They can hold your money in them. And then there's the puppy one. Because every time I get a bigger tin for my husband, they eat them all. And then there's the teddy bears. But yeah, they're like the shortbread, you know. So grab these if you see them. They're really great. But that is my haul, guys, for my updated stocking stuffer. So yeah, and make sure you guys head on over to my book club and start reading, if you're not already, start reading the A Timeless Christmas with us. And then I think the next book I'm going to read is The Christmas Tree Farm. I think I'm going to read that one next, even though it might go into after Christmas. It kind of seasonally in the book, I've already read it. It kind of goes into spring in the storyline anyway. So it might actually be a great one for that. But yeah, and I want to read her new one come spring that's coming out in the spring. Yeah, thank you guys for being here, and I will update you guys with any last minute items I grab. And I did, for the Bath & Body Works haul, I did pick up the body wash in the mint and the body butter in the mint. If you can get your hands on it on sale, grab that mint. That mint is so good. I don't think it tastes or smells watery. I think it smells like Swan Lake, like a frozen lake in mint. Even though I know that's water, ice, yeah. But I hope you guys like my hair. It's a new one from Temu, of course. And I have my gingerbread, Edna's gingerbread mix from Target. Target sweatshirts are amazing because Target's not making them. They come from something in London. Maybe that's why they're better. But anyway, thank you guys for being here again. I appreciate each and every one of you. And hi to all the new subscribers. Oh, I also have a bake with me that I did live, and I edited a lot of question and answers that, unless you're seeing the questions come up, it won't even pertain to the video. So I cut out a lot of it. I took an hour video, cut it down to 19 minutes so you can see the baking. But if you're wondering why I'm kind of zoning out, it's because I'm also chatting with people that were on the live. So we make the cake cookies, and then hopefully I can do a live with the cream cheese Christmas tree cookies. So make sure you have your cream cheese ready, your cookie press ready, your green food coloring ready, and your flour and shortening. I think those are the only things. And salt. That's it. And a little bit of sugar. Very little sugar in those. But I can't wait to see you guys, and make sure you share my videos. Just, you can go back and watch the very original ones and laugh. It's kind of funny. But we all got to start somewhere, right? And thank you guys for being here and supporting me and my family, because being on one income is hard for any family, but you know, having 5 kids is really hard to actually go out in the world and get a job when all their different schedules don't, like, a job won't hire me, or I'd get fired like probably the first week because I'm gotta leave. But I love being able to do this and have my creative outlet, and I do not think of it as work at all. I think of it as talking to my besties. As stupid as that may sound and how fake that may sound, I actually really mean that. Because if you have a lot of kids and big family, or even if you're a single mom or have a baby and you feel alone at home, you have me. We have each other. So I will see you guys soon. Make sure you are subscribed if not already, and just keep a lookout for my lives because I'm going to go live like sporadically. That really helped my numbers and people actually see me. That was a little bit of fun. I really enjoyed it and people were super cool, super nice, and I love them all. And I love each and every one of you, and thank you. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.